Let us analyze this stock. I had traded this and I enter at the small candles and I exited this candle and I made a loss, right? Let us see the reason behind this. Let us go to the weekly time frame and see how the stock is reacting. After this kind of a breakout, it has gone up, right? And another breakout, it has gone up, kind of slowly moving. After this breakout, it is going slowly and huge move. And after consolidation and kind of a triangle breakout, it has moved and now it is forming the triangle breakout triangle setup in weekly time frame, right? If you see this is the weekly time frame from the weekly high to it has fallen almost 43%. It is not making any sense to go long in the falling stock, right? There is no breakout even at this is the mistake and it is falling from a large amount of time, right? So what happened? It get tested, rejected, 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 rejected. Kind of a pattern is broken down. And why would I enter to take this trade is at the time I took the trade it is like this and it is going up, right? It has fallen, tested and going up, right? So it has to go up and touch this area. So that's why I'm looking for a long position. I go to the daily time frame. In daily time frame, what did I see is this thing. One, two touch points. One, two, three. I think now it will go up. The reason behind is this candle. This candle closes above this trend line that I drawn, and the next candle is a bullish candle. These two candles confirms me that this will go up, and these candles are very small candles, right? By looking at these candles, I think that a little bit of retrace and it will go up and touch this. So that is why that is the main intention, and I enter it here. But if we see, there is not even touched this second, right? A good setup must have three touch points, right? One reversal, two reversal, three reversal. It has to touch, right? But it didn't touch, and there is only two reversal, and it must be only take after three reversal so that it will confirm, and again it will come to this trend line, and this momentum will have more probability than two touch points, right? And it didn't even touch. Let us say this thing in weekly time frame. Maybe I draw like this, right? Let us go to the daily time frame. And yes, by looking at the weekly time frame, I draw one, two, only two touch points. And by looking at these candles, I think I entered, thoughting, thinking that this will go and touch here. But no, that is not happened. The breakdown is happened after some consolidation, and I didn't exit because there is a support here, right? One, two. So that's why I'm waiting for this to broke down. The broke down has happened at this candle, and I exit at this candle. So the loss that I made is I enter at this candle, right? And I made a loss of 4% in 24 days. It took almost a month. But the loss is minimal because I entered at very low risk setup. Initially my stop loss is below this trend line. But by looking at this support, I waited for some time and it is broken down. After what happened, I exited. This date has gone up, but did you see the wick? This confirms this will go down. Now it is retesting at this trend line. Maybe I think it will go up. So the mistakes that I had made is this is not three touch points, and the another thing is there is no pattern here, right? A pattern must be broke. One, two. There is no three. Three. It has to come out, but it didn't come out, right? So only enter there is if there is a three touch points and there must be a pattern here. If there is a pattern here, if the pattern is broken, then this confirms that it will go up. It has more probability. Three touch points and there is a pattern breakout, and this has more probability and very low risk setup. So this is it, minus 4% in 28 days. And the another mistake that I had taken is I taken in the falling stock, and I taken this in the range. It is in that range, right? We never know how much time it will be in the range. So better to took this trade after the breakout of this range so that we can get this volume. Don't take trades in the range. Only take trades after the breakout of the range. And that's it. This is the learning.